Do you dread cleaning your windows? Fear not, my lazy people. There are gadgets, gizmos and more that promise to make window cleaning a breeze. But which method should you choose? Let's find out. First up, we have the Raptor pole. This Swiss army knife of window cleaning has a scrubber and squeegee attachment on the end of a long pole, so you can reach up to 3 stories without using a ladder. But before we get started, let me clarify that Raptor Windows Knives has no affiliation with this product. So don't sue us, please. It's like a superhero's utility belt, except that not only you're fighting crime, you're fighting dirt and grime off your windows. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even use it for high stakes playing limbo. The Raptor pole might be fast, but it's not always effective. I mean, have you ever tried to use a squirt gun to clean your car? That's what using the Raptor pole is like. And don't get me started in the wind. One gust of wind is going to leave you dripping like a broken freezer.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just keep...
Now let's talk about the classic method. It involves a bucket, a squeegee and some soap, and a whole lot of elbow grease. It's not the most high tech, but it's reliable. Plus there's a certain satisfaction that comes along with doing the old traditional way. I mean, look at this guy. But let's be real. Who has the time and energy for that? If you're like me, your to-do list is longer than the Lord of the Rings trilogy.
Gandalf?
That's where the vinegar and newspaper method comes in. It's cheap and eco-friendly, but it's also very time-consuming. I mean, not to mention, who even reads newspapers anymore? You might as well clean your windows with a goddamn VHS tape. And then there's a garden hose method. I mean, it's perfect if you fancy flooding your basement. Just stand there with the hose and just watch it seep through your windows. Just be prepared for the water bill that might be higher than the Empire State Building. And finally, we have the window cleaning robots. Yes, robots. They're taking my job.
They took our job!
These little suction cup things are like the Roombas for your windows. They attach onto your window and using AI, they'll navigate around your window pane. It's like having a tiny little butler for your windows. But let's be honest, it's not worth your money. They can't get into the edges and the corners, and they tend to leave a lot of streaks. Plus, watching these bump around your window is like watching a drunken toddler trying to walk. So in conclusion, while the Raptor pole might seem like a beneficial tool, the traditional method still wins. Sure, it takes more time, but in the end it's worth it. So grab your bucket, squeegee, soap, and get to work. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.